gentlemen, this is your guy, Ochivela. Another lovely day, another wonderful day. Yeah, my guy, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to our channel, liked and shared and supported us in nature. I want to say thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Today, we're late here, right here. And we're just hanging around and Caleboh right there. So, whoa. Yeah.
Back like we never left. Hope your Christmas was fine.
Yes.
Mine was fine.
Yeah. Man, this guy has added weight, man. This guy has added weight, man. He's feeling nice. This world is theirs, my guy.
Yep.
Hii dunia ni yao.
We are in Umoja.
Big time.
And yeah, I came to visit my friend here. Now we're just making some few strolls.
Yeah. And this lady right here as well.
Hi.
Hello. Zoom. Anaona Ayubu bwana.
Nipe what?
Leta nikupigia intro.
Ile unasalimiana.
Yo. Ay. We already here at the field. If you guys remember the other day we were here. And now today we are trying to convince Caleboh to today Caleboh was supposed to we were supposed to go with Caleboh some other place, but then we found another activity. Caleboh, we want to make Caleboh drive a manual car today.
Yeah.
Stick.
You guys, you will wear puff jackets and puff whatever.
Puff jackets.
It's going to be messy.
It's going to be exact. Woo. It's going to be messy. Yo. Check that out.
Hey,
yeah.
I didn't see it coming.
Man, I'm telling you, the sun is doing that thing. Man, we are back to the place that we were at the other time, at the beach. And today, not a lot of people, but we want Caleboh to. We are waiting for Caleboh to choose. We are waiting for Caleboh to choose either this one upon. I think it is.
Just choose one.
Caleboh to choose either this one, that one, or that one. So it's up to Caleboh to choose, and so we can know which one he wants.
Yeah.
Today we have to see if Caleboh knows how to gear shift, downshift, upshift, locomote. It's gonna be that day. Caleboh, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Hey, man.
I'm very ready.
Man, check. Look at that. The sun behind us and that effect.
What?
Woo!
Damn.
Then if you turn like that,
It's now come to them.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it, my guy. People here are busy practicing. As for us, we are busy here vlogging. They are doing their physicals. We're also doing our physicals with their mouth. Yeah, they're doing. You know, their physique is full body. Our physique is mouthing.
Exactly.
We just talk.
So must enter with the how we put here.
Yeah, we can go all of us. Then I can record you if you want to, because one round is 100.
I'll just go for one round.
Yeah. So which one do you want? This one, that one, or that one?
Let me take
This one here. Okay, let's go to talk to the Jaduong here.
Let me show my people that.
Yeah, he wants to show his people. Washapeana. Yeah, no, anaenda huko. Kuna huyu. Yeah, so we are here now. This guy has to do that thing now. Caleboh is ready now. He's had a hard choice trying to choose what car he wants to try and practice with. But finally he's got one. Yeah, but you know, he's trying to discuss with him so he can be helped to drive. Yeah. He's now being taught on how to drive. Oh, you'll be the next one. Caleboh right here, you can see he's being taught on how to drive a stick shift.
5 neutral reverse.
Yo, our guy is not foiling us. He's doing great. He's doing great. Ayaweka gari neutral. Now it's time for us to depart for him to go.
Kama classic yote ndani na ni kudakanyanga na vidole.
Na nini pia iko ndani pia. Brake pia ndani.
Usitumie hiyo nguvu, ni pole pole.
He's using a lot of energy to start the car. Caleboh has actually succeeded.
Wow.
He has succeeded to start driving stick shift today. His first time, and our guy is doing us proud, man.
Oh, wow. Caleboh is doing that thing.
Yeah, man.
In the street, I'm in the street.
Our guy is doing that thing. Yeah. You know, this I think I'll bring you. This Mzee, I'll tell Mzee to actually be taking you for classes.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we already found a person who will be taking you for classes, because if I do, we'll argue a lot.
Yeah. It's Ochibella's time now. Ay, yawa. Hey.
Buckle up.
Ochibella, you know it.
Wapi? Hiyo ndio inaniachilia bwana. Ndio inaniachilia. But today ni mfiti. Just going to nini? Ya mbele nyuma ile basi. Vijana automatic. Vijana automatic. Vijana automatic. Ngori. It's getting harder.
It's getting harder. Yet you are a driver.
Sirudi nyuma sana. Jaribu mara moja ikusinda sana nikufundisha.
Sawa.
Nitakwenda kuedit kitu. Bro, wallahi kupimanisha hivi. Haya. I'm back to classes.
Kana klasi yote na mbreki. Msiweke hiyo mbreki ya mwana. Unaonyesha gari. Number 1. Usiasilie mbreki. Kuja Mungu ya klasi hivi kidogo gari itatemeke. Kuja tu hapo. Nasikia vile imetatemeka. Asilia mbreki. Acha tusikie mtetemeko hapo. Hiyo klasi isitoke hapo. Asilia mbreki. Mafuta kando. Poa. Asilia mafuta sasa.
Hey!
Wow.
Removing that thing from gear 1 was crazy, man.
It was hard, eh?
It was hard, man.
Yo, guys,
My guy. We are used to automatic, my guy. Hey. Mungu wangu.
Ochibella, you good?
Ochibella's time.
Ochibella's time.
Ochibella is now the driver. Driving manual.
The last time I drove a manual.
Wewe, tumetoka na huko tuna
Bro, hii sasa hii tuna mautero ndo anapewa. Hii sasa ni mautero, unaona? Lakini dere. Class peke yake ndo shida. Automatic sahi. My die. Automatic sasa tumeingia manual.
Next time it's me. Next time I'm the one.
Coming
next. Mimi ni good learner. I'm a good listener.
You're a good listener. Unajua kusikia na practicals ni different.
I'm a fast learner.
Hapa tukirudi kwa practicals. Iko ground vitu ni different.
Oh.
Wow. My guy. Nimesimamisha ndege vizuri my guy. Nimesimamisha ndege.
Uko sawa.
Hiyo clutch tu ndio shida.
Mungu ya left kidogo tu.
Iko na uzito mingi.
Uzito.
Mzee. No, my guys. I thought, hey, it's been long.
That thing that you know that you don't know. That thing that Ochibella know but he doesn't know.
There's some things that you know I don't know.
That you think that you know that you don't know.
Yes, like which one?
Driving manual car.
Driving manual car.
Man, a manual car is so hard to drive, my guys.
But I thought that you guys.
No. I no. The only problem is
You think
is the clutch.
Driver now you can just drive all cars.
No, it's only the clutch. Only the clutch. No, when the clutch becomes the problem, removing the clutch, just balancing the clutch just a bit was the problem. But once I get used to it, I'm good. My guys, let's take a picture to remember this day.
Yeah. Take 2. Send me one.
I'll send you one. Okay,
so different one?
Different one.
Yeah.
Different posture.
Hope I'm not closing my eyes, but because the sun is sunning.
It's sunning.
The sun is sunning.
Yeah. Now here we are. My guy, I think the only thing that I had issues with was the balancing of the clutch.
Yep.
that was the only issue I had with, because I'm used to the automatic whereby my left foot is doing nothing and my right foot is just enjoying.
Hey, Caleboh has surprised me.
Me, I thought that okay, in manual, even in automatic, you just use one leg.
Yeah, why?
You use both leg.
You lose both.
You use the both leg now.
Your hand, the gear, the what else?
The clutch.
The clutch. Everything has to be at par.
At par.
My God.
That's called manual.
That is called manual. It's very difficult to drive a manual car. To be honest, it's difficult to drive a manual car. Only to remove it, but the rest is still the same.
The departing
time is still the same. However, I don't know which side you want us to pass. Should we go through that pass or
go through that
this side?
Because I want to talk up to that place. Then
To that place.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we proceed to.
Yeah, but Caleboh has really tried today. Caleboh has done that thing.
Yep.
You're so
Come
smooth.
for the classes. Come for classes. Come for classes. Imagine, I don't know how I passed this thing. I didn't even.
Because they told you to pass so far away from it. That's why.
No.
Yeah, if not, you could have hit that cone.
This thing was not there. But another one is coming.
Another is coming. Another teacher. Another guy there is coming. Yeah, so it's more like that, man. Today we are using another path to go to another place. And now we are still in Umoja, but different part of Umoja, as you can see. But the sun is sunning. I usually like walking at around this time. You can see the sun is really doing its stuff. And it's too bright today, man. It's evening, but the sun is just too bright. I don't understand the reason as to why. But anyway, we're used to these. So today we decided to just take Caleboh around Umoja area. Now,
Umoja is fine, man. What this place?
this place. No, there's some other places if you went, man, you'll not say it's fine, man.
This place is cool.
But this place is cool.
Super
This place
cool,
is cool.
man.
Because I think it's closer to Donholm. I think these are those places that our families used to live long time ago. I remember these buildings. Most of the buildings are not this tall. Most of them are short.
They seem to have taken a long time.
Yeah, they look older. Yeah, they look older. You can see. They really look older. A lot of buildings here though, and some of the other new buildings on the other side. We'll have to go check. Place kulikuwa na moja wamefunga. We were looking for a place to eat, but this place is closed. This is where I used to come and buy some chips. The chips are really nice actually. It's closed. No, it is closed. People have gone to the
countryside.
To the countryside. I mean, Iceland is not that bad. Iceland's the only thing with Iceland is that a lot of roads are not well made, and some places are just overcrowded. But generally, things are cheaper compared to the Westlands area. These days, actually, everything is almost the same. Nairobi is just generally expensive compared to the other sides. Funny enough, if you live here and go towards the village, you feel if you go there, you wouldn't want to come back because of the prices of food and the availability of food. I mean, I went to Rongo, man. When I went to Rongo, there was a lot of food, my guy.
No, the countryside, those are the producers, man.
Man, I ate a lot, man. I came a lot of Rabuni. We finished it within 2 days.
You had sweet potatoes?
Yeah, you never told me you wanted some. No, but you know, are you seeing the place we stood the other day to buy?
Yep.
Those women, when you were leaving Kisii.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, that's the place.
Okay.
That's the place.
I do. When I will start working out, I'll just be taking them.
Oh yeah.
And milk.
Yeah, you
So
become
no more bread.
You pugnas. Caleboh shopkeeper, if you're watching this, he's about to become disloyal. He's about to stop eating bread. This guy is about to stop eating bread, my guy. Ako karibu kwanza kupiga dieting. Very nice. She's litmus paper. Unfortunately, the bajia.
I should get a gym for money. Me,
It's cold. With her, if I walk with her, I think I'll be dead. She's avoiding everything. If I keep walking with her, my guys, you'll have to find me dead. Not because of anything, but hunger has killed me. She's
We are going to get her clean.
Everything is clean, cold, hot. Not real.
The environment is.
The environment is the environment is I don't like that person's face. Oh, we can try right here. Yeah, let's go try there. Dear one, you need friends like these ones.
It's now time for munching.
You know, there's something I've noticed. Each time I leave this guy and he comes back, he's always adding weight. Look at his arms.
Weight must be added. Weight must be added.
It's time for us to destroy now. We're destroying that feet. After we're done with the food, then we can continue with the gym.
Actually, we're taking all the way to Caleboh. Or no, you can get Naivas.
Naivas sana. Utapanda Naivas sana.
Who is that watching?
Hi, we good.
Naivas sama dono.
Naivas where?
Naivas is just close.
Naivas is in Donham.
Yes, in Donham. Yeah. So we'll go check there first. If it's not there, we'll go all the way down, then we'll come back. Hello. I mean, if you can hear that sound, it's the sound of a portion, yo. And now that reminds me of bringing the village vibes into the city. As you can see, the portion will just by the other side. It's gonna be lovely though. It's finally time. This guy is already here.
Exactly.
He's leaving for home. As for us, we have to go back. The guy really tried today.
Yeah, man.
Caleboh unasikia mzuri sana hii dunia. With this economy, mzee.
I have a piggy bank.
Hey, man, he has a piggy bank. Man, he's the one eating my money.
No.
Look at him, man.
I don't eat money. I eat food.
Hey, I eat food. I eat food. Yo, my guy. You take the Tutakutana baadaye. It was lovely. Next time, my guy.
Okay.
Cheers. Now we're done with taking Caleboh. We've kuzindikisha inaitwaje? Now you with glowing. You on Caleboh, each time you guys meet is just glowing. Ile place inaitwa kuzindikisha, escorted. I've been looking for the word escorted for the hard time. I just got lost. So we already escorted Caleboh now towards Naivas around here. And now it's time for us to now walk fast and go home before it gets dark. We have a long way to go though. We have a very long way to go. We back at this other area. And back to the field. You know, I've been walking. It's already getting even nighttime. It's getting darker and people are playing right here. People are still training, as you can see. And for us, we're still walking in this darkness. I think Caleboh is almost close, man, to his place. By the time we get there, I'm sure he'll be calling us and telling us that he's already there. But people are still practicing. Nobody wants to go home. Just check what people are really working out. Nobody wants to go home. I mean, that's the beauty of Eastlands right now. Eastlands, there's always a lot of people. When you go towards the Westlands, people are mostly in the houses and in the golf clubs. This one is just open. I'm not saying it's bad, it's also good. Every place has its own great goodness and badness as well.
Hey.
Yo, it's getting dark. Within 1 second. If I put it right here, that's where you can start seeing me. Oh, finally. Finally. Yo, and the night time is here.
A few hours later.
Whew. Finally, I'm home. Super exhausted, but it was lovely. It was a lovely day. We enjoyed the day. We did a lot, and it was nice to see Caleboh around. Well, it's always good to actually meet with friends from time to time, just to break the silence that has been there for quite a long time. Through this, I think the Christmas season we've met only. This is the first time we've met since we started. No, since when? 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago.
For the past 3 weeks we've not met with Caleboh, but it's good to see him today again. Now I believe he's at home because we went to take a matatu not far from here, like 30 minutes to 15 minutes walk from here, depending on how fast you're walking. And in the same breath, I want to thank everybody who's watched our videos, subscribed to our channels, liked and commented, and also supported us in whichever way. I want to say thank you so much. We don't take you for granted. You guys are awesome. For the new subscribers, welcome to Chipela family. This is the place to be. For the returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Thank you for tuning in. And for those who are tuning in right now, stay tuned. There's more to come. Thank you for supporting me. Please subscribe. For everyone who's seeing, please subscribe. I really will really appreciate it. Thank you for your time. I don't take you for granted. Till next time, my guys. Cheers.